In this model, we will explore the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of products, particularly focusing on processed goods such as food and pharmaceuticals. The importance of meticulous packaging design is paramount for both marketing efficacy and the safe delivery of these products. Vulnerability of processed products. Both raw and processed food items are highly susceptible to environmental factors such as moisture, odor, light, oxygen, and other external conditions. Examples of deterioration include A. Soggy or rancid biscuits. B. Rancidity in fatty foods. C. Loss of aroma in tea or coffee. D. Color degradation in spices like green cardamom. E. Caking in sugar products. F. Browning of milk powder. These issues can arise from singular or combined environmental effects, necessitating the use of appropriate barrier materials in packaging. Packaging material selection. The choice of packaging material is critical and should align with the product's characteristics and desired shelf life. Effective packaging must protect contents from climatic hazards, storage conditions, transportation, and market handling practices. For products intended for export, competitive packaging becomes essential to meet stringent international standards. Proper packaging is crucial for preserving product quality and generating necessary foreign exchange revenue. For oxygen-sensitive food items, techniques like vacuum packaging are employed to enhance shelf life. Fresh produce, such as fruits and vegetables, continues to respire and transpire, leading to water vapor and gas emissions that can shorten shelf life, especially in the presence of field infections. Refrigerated storage can mitigate biological degradation, while moisture and gas-permeable films can significantly enhance shelf life even under normal storage conditions, preventing external contamination. To maintain quality, food products must be protected from all potential sources of contamination. It is generally assumed that products are sterile prior to packaging, and thus, the selection of packaging materials must be predicted on their ability to prevent moisture transfer, flavor loss, and odor permeation. Key considerations in packaging. Material selection. 1. Moisture resistance. Packaging materials must prevent moisture gain or loss to maintain product integrity. Methods for assessing moisture resistance include accelerated testing and performance analysis through organoleptic tests. Key steps for organoleptic test is thorough evaluating through sensory organs like taste, smell, appearance, texture, and sound. Here, sound means the sound of crunch of crispy snacks. The testing methods are descriptive analysis, where trained panelists describe the sensory attributes in detail. Difference tests, in which compare the samples with standard, and third test is hedonic scale, in which the measuring preferences and liking, often using a scale from dislike extremely to like extremely. 2. Flavor and odor retention. Packaging should effectively barrier flavors and odors from external sources to preserve product quality. 3. Compatibility. Materials must not impart undesirable odors or flavors, nor should they contaminate the product. 4. Gas permeability. Exclusion of oxygen is vital for certain food commodities. For fresh produce, a balanced exchange of gases is necessary to prevent anaerobic degradation. 5. Insect and mold. resistance. Insect-resistant packaging is crucial for preventing losses in sensitive products, such as nuts and spices. Sealed, moisture-resistant barriers, along with desiccants, can help mitigate internal moisture accumulation. 6. Light resistance. Light exposure can negatively affect many food products, particularly those high in fat. Opaque or colored containers, as well as aluminium and dark polyethylene films, are recommended to protect sensitive products. Let's discuss about material properties for effective packaging. When selecting packaging materials, several properties should be considered. A. Moisture transmission. The material should exhibit a low moisture vapor transmission rate. B. Odor and taste. It should neither impart nor absorb any undesirable external odors or tastes. C. Non-absorptivity. Preferred materials should not absorb liquids. D. Grease-proofness. Important for maintaining product integrity. E. Gas and light barrier properties. The material should effectively restrict the passage of oxygen and other gases, while also providing protection from dust and light. In conclusion, an optimal packaging solution encompasses a thorough understanding of both product characteristics and the environment in which they will be stored and transported. Effective packaging not only ensures the safe delivery of products, but also plays a pivotal role in marketing and maintaining product quality. By adhering to these principles, manufacturers can enhance consumer satisfaction and improve market competitiveness. Please subscribe, like, and share our content to get more upcoming knowledge about packaging. Thank you.